Hi guys, welcome to my channel. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M479fdw is getting error. So guys, first turn the printer off and disconnect the cable. Wait for 60 seconds and connect again. Okay. Then open any browser. Then click and type HP LaserJet Pro MFP M479 driver download. Okay, so first link this official website, so click on it. Then scroll down, basic driver, click on download. After that it will start automatically, you can see. When it is completed, then single click to open, then click to yes. Now this is extracting. After it start the installations. Then click to start, type services, next step, right click to run as administrator, and then press P, printer spooler, select this and double click. So it is already going on, the service already working, means it will highlight the stop button. Okay, so click to start, and it is already stopped, so click to start. But before that you have to check this automatic only service and then apply, and then okay, then select again printer spooler and left hand side restart options, so click on it. Now you can see your status is services it's running, and then close it. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it.